Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the few tricks or features which you might not know about on ZTE Axon 30. So first let's start with opening the settings. Now we can find the features. Here go for system navigation, and now if you click on the virtual navigation, which is 3 buttons down here and this gear icon next to it, you'll be able to disable always show navigation bar. Make sure to disable that, because if you do, you'll see this arrow pointing down right here, and you can hide the 3 buttons like this. To reveal them, simply slide up like this or click somewhere on the screen. Next is a gesture and motion. And here is a lot of settings. I'm not gonna cover them all because they are pretty well explained if you click on them, but let me show you a few of them, like double tap to a screen wake if you enable it, and double tap on your screen when it's locked. It should wake up your device without pressing the power key. Next is to 3-finger swipe down for a screenshot, and now if we slide down our 3 fingers onto the screen, we should make a screenshot, and you don't need to press the buttons for it. There's also raise to wake, auto answer, pick up the phone to lower ringtone volume, pocket mode, snooze and dismiss an alarm, change to the earpiece, shake to turn on flashlight. And that's all of the gesture and motions. Now we can navigate to the normal settings, personalization settings, and here you can see the Aod Always on display. You can change the style for it, so let's pick that one for example. And if you're wondering what Aod is, when you lock your device and leave it locked, you'll see this icon or kind of leaving wallpaper on your screen all the time. But keep in mind that it drains a lot of battery when you enable it, so be careful with that. You can also customize it even further with specific settings right here. Now let's move on to the display, and right here we can change the color mode and color temperature for our device. So on the top there's a color preset which you can use, and there's colorful, standard and soft. In the middle we can change the color temperature with a color wheel, and on the bottom there's warm, normal and cool balance. Next is to hide the top area of your device, like I have it dark right here, and to hide it we need to be in the display settings. Now let's navigate to the top area settings, and you can enable Notchless display, and that way you'll make your top of the screen transparent like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.